Luxury tiny homes prove that elegance doesn't need scale, it needs intention. These compact sanctuaries combine refined design with lush courtyard gardens, elegant patios, and cosy outdoor living areas that redefine modern comfort. Every inch is curated to feel expansive, calm, and connected to nature. The result is living that feels both indulgent and intimate. Where high design meets human warmth in the smallest, most beautiful ways. At the heart of these homes lies the courtyard, the soul of the design. More than just an outdoor space, it's a living extension of the home. Lush greenery surrounds soft stone paths and intimate seating areas, blurring the line between inside and out. Sunlight filters through palm leaves, and the gentle sound of water creates rhythm and peace. The courtyard becomes both sanctuary and statement, a space where simplicity meets serenity. What makes these homes truly luxurious isn't size, it's flow. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and open layouts create continuous movement between rooms and outdoor spaces. The architecture celebrates openness. Light spills across walls, and every view feels intentional. Each home is designed to breathe, making even the smallest rooms feel generous. It's a seamless dance of proportion and perspective that turns minimal square footage into a world of calm. Colour and texture play a quiet but powerful role. Earthy tones dominate: sandy beige, olive green, terracotta and soft ivory, creating a palette that mirrors the surrounding nature. Natural materials like wood, stone and linen deepen the connection. The walls may be smooth plaster, the floors warm underfoot, the furniture soft but sculptural. Every surface feels honest, crafted, not manufactured. This balance of natural texture and clean design gives these homes their high-end calm. Outdoor furniture transforms courtyards and patios into elegant living spaces. Instead of bulky decor, designers favour lightweight, timeless pieces, teak lounges, rattan armchairs, stone coffee tables, and linen cushions. The furniture sits low to the ground, blending effortlessly with greenery. Even in small areas, the arrangement encourages conversation, reflection, or quiet solitude. These aren't just outdoor extensions, they're open-air rooms where life slows down naturally. Lighting adds a layer of intimacy that completes the mood. During the day, filtered sunlight dances through leaves and glass. At night, warm ambient lighting from lanterns, sconces and recessed floor lights transforms the courtyard into a softly glowing retreat. Shadows fall on textured walls, creating depth and movement. It's the kind of light that doesn't just illuminate, it soothes. One of the defining features of luxury tiny homes is their ability to make functionality beautiful. Hidden storage, built-in seating, and multi-purpose furniture maintain a clean aesthetic without sacrificing comfort. The design language values restraint. Every piece has purpose, every detail intention. When everything belongs, space feels larger. The patios in these homes act as the bridge between the built and the natural. Smooth concrete or stone floors, lined with potted plants and edged with soft greenery, create visual continuity. A small dining table shaded by a pergola or tree turns daily meals into tranquil experiences. Here, simplicity is elegance. The luxury comes from proportion, comfort, and atmosphere rather than excess. In a world chasing more, these homes celebrate enough. They show that luxury doesn't depend on scale. It lives in balance, atmosphere, and connection. The lush gardens, elegant patios, and cosy outdoor spaces remind us that the best design isn't loud. It's quiet, intentional, and full of life. If you dream of a home that feels both refined and real, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who love thoughtful design, and subscribe for more inspiration on creating living spaces that are small in size but boundless in soul.